Never mind the fact that I have to clean my office. I was working on it. I was putting all of my papers and paperwork in this basket. And Tiny Mite, this is his spot now. Merlin! Merlin! We're still working on that name. Still learning it. But he's also a cat, so he's probably ignoring me. Oh, oh, thank you.
What have you done? What have you done? What is all over your face, Luna? Luna? Trying to walk and not shake the camera too much, but also make sure I don't step in anything because, you know, we've got 4 dogs. Luna? Why are you covered in a different color? Luna. Really? What's all over your face? What's, oh goodness. Oh. What's all over your face, crazy? Well, don't eat it. Oh. That's what happens when you eat dirt. Luna, look at me. Oh, goodness. Luna. Luna. Look at me. Luna. Don't eat dirt. This is why we tell you not to eat sticks and dirt. This is her new hole. That's the old hole. Or wait, is it? Oh gosh, she's got 3. So this is the original hole right here. It's full of leaves. This is the new hole that she digs and lays in. And we have this one over here. What is all this, Luna? What is all this? Huh? What is all this? Huh? What? What are we going to do about this? Luna? What is it, Luna? Luna? Can you explain to me what happened? Luna, what is this? Seriously. What is this, Luna? Luna, what is that? What is that? Happy dog. She is so happy living out here. Luna. Yeah, I bet you are. You get to dig holes here. Ugh. That's dirt drool on my foot. I think it's time for you to come inside and get some water now, child. No, not stick time. Come on. Look at all the leaves, you guys. I love it. I love it. It's definitely fall. Well, it'll be there soon, but close enough. So excited.